Hi, my name is Hara and I'm super excited that the second SPM Summit being co-hosted by IIM Bangalore and ISPMA is taking place on the 17th and 18th of January 2020. As India is emerging as a strong product nation, we not only need 1 million professionals to build the whole ecosystem, but we need few thousand great product managers to really hold it all together and take it to the leadership. And product management, as you all know, is a leadership skill and it cannot be built just in the laboratory, but in the field as well. So that's where the management science and the discipline of the product management coming together makes a great sense. So here we are going to celebrate the excellence and successes of the products which are emerging out of India. And also we would have great presentations, research presentations in the academic conference of the SPM Summit. So I encourage all of my fellow product management professionals in the community to join us, and let's celebrate this event, let's connect, network and learn from each other in this event.
India is fast emerging as a strong player in the software product development space for the global markets. And in this context, it becomes essential for both the practitioners from the industry and the researchers from academia to come together for effective knowledge sharing and sharing of the best practices. In the product management space, a product manager plays an extremely important role. He or she is the one who works with multiple stakeholders, the project managers, the engineering and design team, the customer engagement team, the market research team, the finance team, etc. He or she is the one who brings all these teams to work together. And to be able to do so, one needs to be a technologist, a manager, a sociologist, and a market researcher all in one. In addition to that, one should be having a significant amount of empathy and creativity. What makes this role very interesting is the fact that no two jobs have the same set of requirements. There is a significant amount of variety that one sees in these jobs. A product manager has a very attractive career prospects. One can aspire even to go all the way up to becoming the CEO of the organization. The current CEOs of organizations like Microsoft, Google, Yahoo, etc., all of these have been successful product managers prior to reaching where they have reached and managing the organizations that they are in. It is in that context I see the India Software Product Management Summit scheduled for January next year. That plays a critical role, and I hope everyone who aspires to be in this space would be able to participate in this upcoming event.
Thanks to the digital revolution, today product management has permeated almost all companies that run digital enterprises. As a result, the ability to manage digital products, which often take the shape of software, has become an extremely important skill most companies are looking for. That's why understanding and practicing the important concepts of software product management is a very useful skill to have in today's modern digital economy. And therefore, this conference would be an ideal opportunity for you to learn about what's happening in this domain and to pick up the necessary skills to make a difference in your career ahead.
This conference is one of the most exciting, most interesting software product management focused conferences in India, which has a mix of both practitioner and academic inputs. Last year we held this conference here for the first time, and we had a very nice response from the industry. This year we are extending the scope and including both academic participants and industry participants, and already the interest is so much that we expect a very large number of people to come and participate in this. In this regard, I would encourage all of you to consider submitting your articles or your product descriptions to this conference. Thank you.